Today is the end of my game, but the start of our game. We've been through many ups and downs, heartbreaks and petty fights. These things made us cry, but help us grow our love stronger and understand each other more.
Umiiyak ka na dyan.
Excited. Excited. Super. Oh my gosh, alam ko na naman to. Oh. Ah, thank you. May papapreserve na naman ako. At binigyan talaga niya ako ng pabango.
Hi, Sharina. Let's do this. Nandito na tayo. Hindi natin alam kung anong magiging future natin, but I'm sure that it will be alright. As long as we are together, helping each other, and loving each other. Yeah. Thank you. I love you.
Chat, do you take Gino here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Bog, where we are in life today is God's time for us. I know that I love you unconditionally and without hesitation. I vow to choose to love you, encourage you, trust you, and believe in you. I promise to speak to you and about you with kindness and compassion. I promise to allow you to be your best self and step back if I interfere with your well-being.
Gino, do you take Sharina here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church? Yes, I do. Do you give yourself to her as her husband? Yes, I do. Do you accept her as your lawful wife? Yes, I do.
You have reached your destination.
Yes, thank you so much, Waze. Pero more on, when you come to a point na kahit pawis-pawis kayong dalawa, na gusto mo pa rin siyang i-hug, i-kiss, makasama, ganon. Na tipong inis na inis ka na, yung gustong-gusto mo siyang sunugin ng buhay, pero pipiliin mo pa rin siya. Wala ka sa loob.
Ready ka na ba?
Ready ka na? May chance ka pa. Mali. Sige, gusto mo. May chance ka pa. Wala ka na chance.
There's no turning back.
Buti naman alam mo. Buti naman alam mo. Ready ka na?
Alis tayo.
You never fail to surprise me talaga. I super duper appreciate it. Kahit na sinabi mo wala ka ng pera, pero bumili ka pa rin ng flowers at ng pabango. And